Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can display product secondary image when hover on it. So here you can see currently nothing is changing. If I go here for the second product, and now here you can see these are the gallery images that are added, but images are not swapping. So let's go, and we need to install a plugin. Here you can search for, in this box, search for secondary product image, and then you need to install this plugin. So this plugin is new, that's why it has less installations as compared to other plugins, but this plugin works fine. So if I reload this page, then here you can see it's working fine. So you can edit any of the product. Make sure that you have edit gallery product images. So if you have not edit gallery product images, then it will not work. So make sure that you have edit product images in this section.